Hey, hello friends, how are you? Hoping so, happy with the friends and family. It must be the time that you are enjoying this lockdown happiness. You must be saying what type of lockdown happiness? Because now you have the complete time to think, ponder, meditate, and go for the positivity instead of going to the negativity. As why I say this, why I took this particular privilege to talk to you today is I had a call from one of my teacher saying a number of problems. He was literally in too much of depression. He was in too much of tension. He was in too much of pressure. He had lost his job and lost his hopes. Like, what will be after this coming time? How will I be able to run my family? How will I be able to do this? How will I be able to do that? How I'm going to fulfill my all aims, needs, necessities? And it's getting too much difficult. Sir, I thought of leaving this city and going to my village so that I can work into my farm and live happily with my family. Here in this worldly matters, I'm getting too much of depressed, I'm getting too much of tensed. Please give me some solutions where I can at least think of something. I really had no words to speak on his situation. But then still, a thought of positivity that was given by me by saying that this particular time, this particular situation has brought you to overcome the situation, brought you to fight against the situation, brought you to make yourself more prepared than before. It's just a break. As such, you say on any particular main road, we have a traffic light. Those particular traffic lights get red light after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or maybe with a certain time, so that your journey of traveling may get stopped for 1 or 2 minutes, get relaxed, let the traffic get calmed down, will have a green signal, and once again you start your journey. Now, if this traffic light would have not been there on the road, the traffic would have got jammed. There would have been many more accidents. There would have been many more chaos. I think this lockdown, this situation, this pandemic has also given the signal to stop and get wind up with our traffic of a problem, traffic of our thinking, traffic of increasing our passion, and so many things. So now it's a chance to recover and cover those unturned subjects which were not turned before. My dear friends, it was given a simple thought in one of the book by saying that you are the salt of this mankind. You are the salt for this mankind, but if the salt loses its saltiness, there is no way to make it salty again. It has become the worthless, so it is to be thrown out and people will trample on it. Try to understand. Do not lose your saltiness. Do not lose your hope. Do not lose your passion. Rather, think positive, do positive, and be active for coming time. Don't get panic. Instead, take this opportunity to improvise your skills and your tactics so that you may run with double force after the lockdown ends. Keep motivated and be happy. Thank you for listening, Nilesh.